In a small village, there lived a curious young boy named Liam who had a strong desire to learn about the world around him. One day, he approached an old storyteller named Mr. Jenkins and asked, "How can I gain knowledge about everything?" Mr. Jenkins smiled and began to share a story. Once, there was a potter named Ethan who wanted to become a master of his craft. He read countless books and listened to experts, but he still felt like something was missing. Liam listened intently, wondering where the story was leading. Then, one day, Ethan decided to start making pots himself. He learned by trial and error, experiencing the clay's texture, the pressure required, and the nuances of firing. He became a master potter through his hands-on experiences. Liam listened intently, wondering where the story was leading. Then, one day, Ethan decided to start making pots himself. He learned by trial and error, experiencing the clay's texture, the pressure required, and the nuances of firing. He became a master potter through his hands-on experiences. Liam's eyes lit up with understanding. So, the only way to truly know something is to do it yourself? Mr. Jenkins nodded. Exactly. Albert Einstein once said, "The only source of knowledge is experience." It means that while books and theories are helpful, true understanding comes from actively engaging and learning through first-hand encounters. Inspired by the story, Liam began to immerse himself in various activities, experimenting and exploring the world around him. He realized that by actively participating and gaining personal experience, he was able to grasp concepts more deeply and remember them better. As Liam grew older, he became known as a knowledgeable and wise individual. He had realized that Albert Einstein's words held a valuable lesson: true knowledge isn't just obtained from reading or listening, but from the act of doing and experiencing. Just as Ethan became a master potter through hands-on learning, Liam discovered the power of experience in shaping his own understanding of the world.